It's my Mod Wednesday. It's the drawer extension. It's only about 60 bucks, I believe, from King's. Goes on the end of your drawer, and now I can put a 2-burner barbecue up here. Or if I'm running the extension lead from the inverter, I can run my jaffle maker, my toasties, my toaster. I can run anything up to 1500 watts off this. So this just makes things so much easier because now I can have the dual burner barbecue up here. I can get in and out the fridge or freezer whenever I want. I've also got the other side of the tailgate as my cooktop. This is a great little addition. And on top of that, when you're done with it, it simply rolls off, sits on here, and then it compacts everything down in your drawer, so you don't have to worry about stuff coming back up, overpacked, and then it jams up your drawer and you have to try to fiddle to unloosen everything. That just makes life so much easier.